True love burns the brightest, but the brightest flames leave the deepest scars inside you. The saddest thing is to be a passing moment to someone when you have made them your eternity. It hurts when you have someone in your heart but can't have in your arms. Sad things happen, they do, but we don't need to live sad forever. It's sad when someone you know becomes someone you knew. My dear, I am lost without your smile, without your radiant, happy presence. I miss you very much. Tears come from the heart and not from the brain. Life without love is a slow way to freeze to death.